If you're doing affiliate marketing in 2025 without using AI properly, then you're basically choosing to make life much harder for yourself. Because right now, ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting for you. Your script ideas, your hooks, your emails, your funnels, all of it. It's like having a full-time assistant who never gets tired, never complains, and doesn't cost you a thing. But before we go any further, let me slap a massive warning label on this video. AI is here to support you, not replace you. The second you start copy and pasting everything ChatGPT gives you, your content turns into boring, generic mush. You lose your personality, your edge, your point of view, the exact things that people follow you for. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into an actual affiliate marketing assistant, something that elevates your content, not something that replaces your identity. And stay with me, because in a few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact master prompt that transforms ChatGPT into your personal money-making sidekick. But just quickly, before we get started, if you like my videos, then do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. That way the videos can help more people and you'll never miss an upload. Most beginners absolutely butcher this part. They open ChatGPT.
You use ChatGPT? You love ChatGPT? I love ChatGPT. I love it.
And they say basic things like, write me a script, give me some hooks, or make me a viral video. It's like hiring someone on day one and immediately asking them to run your whole company when they don't even know what your name is. At that point,
ChatGPT
doesn't know how you speak, it doesn't know your vibe, it doesn't know what annoys you, what motivates you, or why you're even doing affiliate marketing in the first place. So of course the content it gives you sounds incredibly robotic because you never told it who you are or what you're doing. Before ChatGPT can make anything useful, you need to teach it your style. Maybe you're documenting your journey out of a job that you hate, or you're calling out the cost of living crisis because you're sick of seeing people struggle. Maybe you're that explain it in plain English type of creator. But whatever your voice is, ChatGPT needs to understand it, because once it does, everything it produces suddenly sounds 10 times closer to how you naturally speak. And that's when things start to click. Now here's another reason beginner content flops. People get ChatGPT to write all this motivational, generic, feel-good crap, and then they expect it to magically turn into commissions. I promise you, it won't. ChatGPT needs to know what you're promoting, it needs to understand your offer, your angle, your audience, the pain points, the benefits, everything. If you don't give it that, you're basically asking it to build a puzzle with half of the pieces missing. It will do its best, but the picture just won't make sense. Think about it like this. If you're promoting a beginner-friendly course, your content should speak to people who feel overwhelmed. If you're promoting AI tools, then your content should speak to people who feel stuck or behind. If you're promoting fitness products, then your content should hit the pain points around energy, confidence, or results. ChatGPT can help you craft that message, but only if it knows what that message actually is. Okay, this is where things get interesting. Once ChatGPT knows your voice and your offer, you can use it like a full creative team. You can say, help me come up with content ideas, rewrite this in my tone, or break this concept down so beginners actually get it. And it will do it instantly. But, and I cannot stress this enough, it is your job to put your personality into it. If you post content written entirely by AI, you become forgettable, and forgettable creators don't survive, especially in 2025 and into 2026, not with the rapidly growing competition out there. So AI gives you the structure, but you give it the emotion, you give it the edge, you give it the I've lived this, I've been through this, I know what I'm talking about sort of energy that no language model can ever replicate. Your authenticity is the one thing AI can't fake, and that's exactly why you must keep yourself front and center. Once you've set this up properly, your daily workflow becomes stupidly simple. You sit down, you open ChatGPT, and you tell it to give you some idea based on your niche. One of them will jump out to you, and that's the video for the day. Then you get ChatGPT to turn that idea into a script, and instead of reading it word for word like some sort of AI NPC, you tweak it. You add your story, you inject your own personality, and you add that little spark your audience recognizes as authentic to you. Then you ask ChatGPT for help crafting a caption that fits your tone, and if you're smart, you'll also repurpose that exact video into an email, so you're building your list at the same time. This whole thing takes maybe 15 minutes, not 3 hours, and not a full day staring at a blank screen. This is why creators who understand AI properly are surging ahead, because they're not wasting time guessing what to post, and they're not posting soulless AI scripts either. They're doing the exact hybrid strategy that works right now, and that's human personality powered by AI speed. Alright, here's the part you've been waiting for. This is the setup prompt that turns ChatGPT into your actual affiliate marketing assistant, not just some generic chatbot. I'll put it on screen for you now. Act as my personal affiliate marketing assistant. Your job is to help me create content, ideas, emails, and scripts in the voice of whatever your brand is. My niche is whatever your niche is. The main offer I promote is, and then include whatever your main offer is. And my audience is whatever the demographic of your audience is. Always write in my tone, keep things practical, keep things simple for beginners, and avoid generic AI language. Once you paste that in, ChatGPT will finally understand how to think like your assistant rather than just a random writing tool. Also, a quick tip, keep the chat open rather than starting a new one each time, because by keeping it open, ChatGPT builds up more context and will produce better results. Okay, so finally, let me leave you with this, because the truth that nobody else says is AI isn't replacing creators, it's replacing excuses. The people who win are the ones who combine their personality with the power of AI, not the ones who hide behind it. So if you want the full system that plugs into everything I just showed you, the funnels, the emails, the beginner roadmap, then download my free affiliate starter pack. It's linked in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.